Information just into the RTV6 newsroom about a mysterious explosion that rocked the Irvington neighborhood earlier this week. IMPD now says they have to do more testing to determine what type of explosive went off in the median in the 5800 block of East Washington Street on Wednesday. The explosion caused a hole and a lot of debris and startled neighbors in Irvington. Detectives say they do not believe anyone was targeted and says it is likely an isolated incident. And no one was hurt. If you have any information, call Crime Stoppers at 317-262-TIPS.